Alright, so today's adventure, we're going to mount a compass on the dash, and we're going to try and finish the fog light installation, sweep and vacuum the floor, get this interior buttoned up. Let's get started. Let's check out the compass, see where we want to put it. I'm thinking right there next to the heater. That way I can still get the dash pad off if I want. And there's still plenty of material for it to sink into. Let's work on our fog light switch first. So this is our switch. Let's see what kind of metal we can find over here to make a mount out of. We got a nice piece of aluminum angle here. Let's get a drill. Alright, let's make a switch. We gotta put a fuse in it. Just in case. We're tapping a factory splice in there till we get the piece we want, just to see how they work. So back down here we go. Let's give you guys a little bit of a upsy daisy. Is my wire I sent in that I want to connect to the other side of the switch. So we're going to strip this. Crimp that circle on it. And all we gotta do is hook this to the two wires out front. And we should have fog lights. So, there's that there. If we make this cheap switch too tight, it'll just break. Alright, let's go hook the wire up out front. We got our wire coming from back here. We're going to pull any excess like so. And we're going to pull this like so. Okay. So I always twist these things together. Like I said, my buddy told me about these things. I've used them a couple times so far. They work. But I don't know if I would say they work great. But let's see what we can do here. We're definitely going to tape this one. Because I don't know if I even trust it. Zip tie this booger down, tape it up, see what we got. Power back up. See if these babies come on. Perfect. Just what we needed. Now, we gotta mount a compass and straighten this seat cover. So Jill said every old man's truck should have a compass. So we're gonna try to mount one real quick. We're gonna try to mount it right here in the meat of the dash right there, so we can still take this cover off if we have to. It's going. There it is. Gets this little guy here. All right, there's Jill's compass, the GT compass. So all we got left to do on the inside is vacuum. So we're gonna try to fix this exhaust hanger real quick here. Let's hope we can get it off. I suppose I could have just welded that back together. It's a two-piece job. So we're gonna go bend this, and we're gonna try to pick that up to there. And then we're gonna have to go up there and tighten up that hanger I see is hanging down, falling. Let's go abuse this muffler bracket. So we'll resume this tomorrow. We'll put this bad boy on. Probably cut that off a little. Tighten up the other muffler clamp and that part's done. Alright, so we're going to put the bed cover on now. This is for a mid-90s. It fits pretty good though. Sure it's sort of square. See you when I get out. Alright. If you're claustrophobic, that isn't the place to be. So now, we're going to fold that up. Look at this little contraption we got here. Well, I guess we're going in again. There's no good way to get that without being in there. We got these magnets. They're pretty strong. So, there it is. Got a little bit of a pocket in it for small stuff. But her groceries won't slide up to the front no more. And it came with 4 carabiners whenever if the plastic hooks ever break. But for now, that will keep her groceries right in the back to where she can reach them. And this cover is really easy to put on. You just undo those, tuck them out of the way, and away you go. Let's rub this patina stuff on this roof. Can't reach across the whole thing, but we'll get most of it around the back window area. My grandfather's truck was covered with scratch and sniff stickers that we got in school as kids. I guess when I was a kid in high school, junior high, whatever, every magazine I read was covered with stickers. Cars were full of decals. It was all speed equipment stickers, but they were laid out with decals all across the windows, fenders. I guess it was wannabe race car stuff. But that always kind of stuck with me. So I've always stickered up my windows. Alright, these two will go on the outside door windows. Alright, so let's commence to wiping this side off. See how she looks. It does something to it. Do one wheel at a time here. We're going to use some chemical dyes, wheel and rim ceramic coat quick detailer. What kind of directions does this have? Always ensure surface is cool to touch before applying. There we go. Didn't do too bad. Of course, Windex might have did the same thing. I don't know. This one here is really scuzzy. Wrong rag. Clean that up a little. Let's give this another wipe down. Get all the overspray off. I like it. Alright. Perfect. In there somewhere. Turn the compressor on. I don't know what we'll do. But we got to check the tire pressure here eventually. We got some valve caps at home we'll have to put on it. And we're going to clean the toolbox, put our hitch pieces in there. God, that thing is heavy.